Hello, once again. I was going to send out a few pictures to a few select friends to show them what I've been building, but I figured it's much easier doing it this way on YouTube, so here's one of the latest things I've been doing. So before I get into explaining what this thing does, I'm just going to briefly show you how it's made. The body itself is made out of 1/4-inch aluminum plate, and it's kind of custom cut and pre-drilled for everything to fit. The motor is a sort of like a windshield wiper motor, like custom order out of the States. I use this kind of system so that it would take up less room in the body itself, so it wouldn't wind up being so wide. The rotating hub's made out of 1/8-inch steel plate because I had to be able to weld the spokes to it, and then the threaded center hub piece in the middle that threads it onto the motor shaft. Once all the metalwork's done, I take the units over to a shop in Red Deer and get them powder coated, nice powder blue on the body, and then the steel hub itself is kind of like a metal, it's like silver, and it's given an extra clear coat to make it extra tough. So it's going to see a lot of use, these things. This is the one I finished this today. It's all electrically been checked out. It's working well, and the only thing I got left to do now is take it up to Edmonton to the CSA group to get it certified. This picture here, you can see the, we'll call it the power control and the variable speed knob that they can adjust when they push in that foot switch to make the rotating hub at different speeds. This variable speed is controlled by the same little board that I use on my big dish control and various other things. It's a nice little circuit. So this is how it works. They turn the knob or turn the power on and set it to a certain speed. They normally have this foot switch on the floor and step on it, but I'm just using my hand. So pushing it, you can see you can hear the disc more than seeing it, that it's starting to rotate, and then you adjust the speed to whatever you want. So I'll spin it around here. I don't have any actual blister packs to show how this thing works, but they'll just take the end of the blister packs. It's a long string of them, stick them in the spokes, and then step on the foot switch. You can see better now as I adjust the speed how fast it can go and how slow it can go. The blister packs just simply roll on top of each other into a nice round flat hub or package, and when they're done they cut off the packets they're done with, put a piece of tape on it, slide it off the end. I think they usually just have the speed set, and then they just step on the foot switch on and off, and it turns the motor on and off, and they wrap things up and get her done. I've actually been in a hospital in the pharmacy area where they use these things, and they're highly used. They use them like 24/7. They roll up these pill packets and they get sent out all over central Alberta. Like say these ones I've built are 9 to 10 years old, and they've actually worn the brushes right out on the motors over that period of time. So it's quite something. I've built I think about a dozen of these now over the years, and it's kind of a fun project. Anyways, a short rundown of what I've been up to here. That's what they call the pill roller project. So 73s V6 BHD.